Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Hello guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, my friends and my teacher lecture. Today, I from PBLEF 2023 strip 2 strip 8 will demo our application. But before the demo, I will like to introduce the proposal title, project manager, project proposer, and team members. Okay, first, this is the project title. The project title is Mobile-Based Informatic Engineering Final Project Information System, or known as SITA. Okay, next. This is our project manager and the project proposer. Project manager, she is Miss Handayani, and project proposer, he is Mr. Supardianto. Okay, this is our group identity. First, my name is Respati Dinata. Student number identity is 33122001027. I'm group leader in the team PBLEF, and we have four member in the group identity. First, he is Mr. Rizky Amar Afif. Next, he is Anggi Sania Maharani. Next, he is Mulkia Artan, and last is si Gita Claudia Abdul. Okay, let's go to the presentation on the demo application. Okay, first, this is our page implementation front end and back end. This is the progress of the coding implementation. It actually already exist in the form of a website and can be accessed at sita.polybata. But this time we develop it again in the form of the mobile, and also with additional feature, and maybe over time there will be new feature. So it can be translated that this is not a constellation project, but is the development project from website to mobile. Okay, the development of Sita in mobile from its application that manage final assignment in the department, starting from the manage of student final assignment, submission of trial assignment, and so on, with additional feature that are coordinated with the department. In this application project, we PBLF 23 strip 2 strip 18 proposer and Manpro agree to use the Progress Web Application, or PWA, and open source in is and which open source. Okay, and the Sita application, there are four features can be used by student final project, session schedule, lecture list, and the last is logbook. Okay, a little information is also based on the request of our proposer from the PBL team to make an application to student display only. So I will explain in this application demo. This is from application coding, and this is the database that will be used for our application. Immediately we start the application demo. This is our database. Okay, like okay. The first, this is the landing page or initial page. Okay, this is the landing page. We can log in at the click the get started in here. Okay. The second, we enter the login page where for login student can use their respective learning or ID learning. Okay, this is I want type the ID learning. This is the our account. Okay, login successful. Okay, after logging in, the system will automatically go directly to homepage, where on this homepage we can see what feature are in the application. This is we have four feature in the application. First, we have the final project or tugas akhir. Next, we have the trial schedule or jadwal sidang. Next, we have daftar dosen or list lecture. And the last, we have the logbook or the logbook. This is the feature in the application. Okay, the first thing I tried was try the final project feature. First, I will try the final project feature. Okay. Where in the final project feature, student must will fill in several forms that must be filled in the use as efficient on submitting the final project, like this. This is the example of the final project from final project. Okay, wait a minute. This is from example. Okay, if the submit, the system give the information if data has been submit, and we can check in the database at MySQL at MySQL. Okay, let's see it in tugas akhir. Okay, tugas akhir we have to done pembuatan rumah baca kreatif dan web rumah baca after we submit the project in the tugas akhir, the from tugas akhir or the final project. This is the our database. Okay, the final project is done. Next, we have jadwal sidang or the list lecture and the trial schedule. After that, there is a second feature, namely the trial schedule. In this trial schedules, student can only set the trial schedule. They cannot fill in because only the examining lecturer can fill in this trial schedule. Okay, this is only information about the trial schedule or jadwal sidang. Okay, next, the third feature is daftar dosen. Okay, feature in the daftar, the lecture list feature, where in this feature, student can see a list of lecture in the informatic engineering department. This feature also serve to make it easier for student for find the contact of their examiner. Okay, this is the page of the list lecture or daftar dosen. Okay, this is the all of lecture in informatic engineering. Okay, next. Next, and the last is the feature is the logbook, where this feature has a function to confirm the progress of student during the final project, and this feature also make it easier for supervisor and examiner to see the real readiness of student who want to do the final of the project. Okay. We have example, planning and implementasi. This is for the example. We must to fill in the form, several form in the logbook page. We have start date and date sample. This is the example. If we submit, logbook entry added successfully, and we can check in the database in the logbook. Okay, logbook is already done. This is the our tahapan deskripsi pengerjaan. We must click of the infill in the form, and it's already done. Okay, it's already done of the demo application for the database. For the database itself, we use MySQL because actually for this application, I think there is already a database from Polybatam itself, but because we only make application for student display, so we only saw example of database that are already running. Okay. Okay, thank you. This is our project-based learning. I want to say thank you for everyone. I want to say thank you for my friend and my teacher lecture. Let's see and see ya. Dadah. Thank you for everyone. Thank you so much.